about we play the cat game?
Cat game. What's the record?
Thorny did 6, but I think you could do 10.
10. Starting. Meow.
Sorry about that.
Alright, Meow. Hand over your license and registration. Your registration? Hurry up, Meow.
Sorry.
There's something funny here, boy?
Oh no.
Then why you laughing, Mr. Larry Johnson? Alright, Meow. Where were we?
Excuse me, are you saying meow?
Am I saying meow?
I just thought...
Don't you think, boy? Meow, you know how fast you were going? Meow, what is so damn funny?
I could have sworn you said meow.
Do I look like a cat to you, boy? Am I jumping around all nimbly bimbly from a tree to tree? Am I drinking milk from a saucer? Do you see me eating mice? You stop laughing right now.
Yes, sir.
Meow, I'm gonna have to give you a ticket on this one. No buts, Meow. It's the law. Not so funny, Meow, is it? Meow.
Go. Sorry about the...
Alright, now, Meow. Hand over your license and registration.
No, go back.
Fuck!
Sorry about
Alright,
that.
Meow. Hand over your license and registration. Your registration. Hurry up, Meow.
Fuck, hold on, I messed up. I said sorry too.
There's some...
Alright, how about we play that cat game?
Cat game, what's the record?
Go!
You guys! Dana!
What did you do?
Alright, hand over your license
Sorry.
and registration.
I'm supposed to... Sorry about that.
Alright, Meow.